Alright, today what I thought we would do is take a look at how we could set up a YouTube channel. I know a lot of you have asked on how we could set those up or what it would look like to set one of those up, and they're really rather simple to do in terms of where you at in your tech walk, how experienced or unexperienced you are with tech. But I thought we'd show you today. There's all kinds of different things that you can do with it. You can go as simplistic or as deep as you want to go, but there's a whole bunch of analytics that go along and all kinds of different things that you could use for your class. And so one of the things that we were always thinking was, like Jake and I were thinking, that if you wanted to flip your classroom, this would be where the kids could go to see a video that you have set up, explanation of a concept, but good use of technology, and also a nice little hub to where they could get some things for you. So this is our e-learning coach channel. What you're going to do is you're going to want to log into, just go to youtube.com, and it will give you a screen. You will click on what you're signed in at, and it will give you these options. And what you want to do is you want to go down to settings. If you click on settings, now, it'll ask you, you're going to create a new channel. You might not have a bunch of pictures on it or anything like that, but it definitely will look something similar to this. You're going to create a new channel. And it takes a little bit. So then you'll put a brand. So say, I don't know, my class. Then when you click create, you will create a brand or a new channel. And so looks like it's having a little issue of setting it up. But what you'll do is you press create there, and that would be where you would create your class. So I'm going to go back, and we're going to take a look at after you have created, what you can do with your channel, and there are different things that you can do with it. Okay, and so once you have created it, you'll ask you for your channel. You can click on your channel, and that'll start it. So this is what your dashboard will look like. Obviously, you don't have any videos yet, but as soon as you start putting your videos, then you'll start seeing these. So what I do is you can also click on all videos. So if you have subscribed to this channel, you'll see how many subscribers you have. We have 80 subscribers. If you look on the video, you can see, 29 views, all kinds of different views. But every video that you make and upload, you will see and find them there. They will store them. Okay, and if you go through your school email, you'll have a lot more possibilities, or more space to store. Okay, so you can also see playlists. So if you want to make a playlist, you can. Channels that you subscribe to, discussions. You can add public comments to things. About. This is where you're going to say what your YouTube channel is about. You can name it. We named ours the e-learning coaches. Jake and I did. You can customize your channel. So you'll go to customization of your channel, and you can see all the different things that you want to do. You can, the cog is pretty much where all your settings happen. So you can go through a bunch of different channel settings, what you want to do. You can translate. You can do all kinds of different things when you're in the customization. And what you remember is, every time that you want to go back, you can just go click on your channel, and it will go right back to it. Okay, we're in the customized one right now. You can go home here. As soon as you go to the home there, that will take you back to like your dashboard. And once you go back to your dashboard, and those are some videos that will just come up. It says recommended. click back on, and it takes you back to your channel. Maybe you want to see, maybe you want to download something. So you go up to the picture. You can either upload a video or you can go live. If you go live, you'll need a webcam, which you can video yourself, and the kids can set stuff up. You can actually share it. So if I go to go live, if you wanted to video yourself live, and when you stream yourself live, it does save it. So if you wanted, and then you can drop it right off to your kids. Webcam usually is what you'll use for, if you have a webcam, which you have your own webcam for live streaming. You can use your computer, or you can use your you can use it as an external one. So if you want to label something, you'll need to make sure that you have access. So there we go. So maybe you just want to name it new channel. You want to explain your new channel. New channel. That's your title. You will click yes, and then you'll click next. And this is for live streaming. So then it takes a picture of you. So you can make it like a real smart picture. Okay. It will take a picture of the thumbnail of who you are, and then you can change that. So as it's showing here, I gotta wait a little bit. So it just takes the picture, and you can see the video it makes. So then if you want to share it, or you can go live. So if you want to share it and say, hey, I'm going to come in the next 5 minutes, share it to Twitter or your social media, and they'll give you a link. Okay. You can go live right away if you want. That's up to you. But you can go back to your channel and leave here. Okay. So it's kind of taking a little bit to go, but this kind of gives you an idea of what you can do with your YouTube channel, and it's just a brief synopsis. I mean, we can go deeper into the analytics of it, and what all of it you can do and stuff like that. But it is a good way to communicate with your class. It also is a good way to communicate. You could have a virtual staff meeting. You could do it through that way. Watch something, produce the video, and then send your link out to your staff or other people that you want to see it. So this is just kind of how to start a channel. It's pretty basic. If you want to know more information, just shoot Jake and I email, and we can go more in depth with you. But just kind of basic way of setting up your own channel. So hope you have a great day and a good weekend. Thanks for watching.